In this video, you will see how to make a checklist in Word document. The method that I will show you works on all the versions of Microsoft Word. You can add cross and tick as well. It's very easy. First, in your Microsoft Word document, you need to copy-paste the checklist items or type the checklist items. Now select all the items and then give the spacing of 1.5 so it looks better. Now to find boxes, the empty box, tick box and the cross box, you don't need to follow the insert option and then go to the symbols and then find the symbol here. I will show you a small shortcut method. What you need to do is just go to the Google and type this checkbox copy paste. You will see this excellent website fssymbols.com. It's free. Just click on it and you will see this check mark or tick symbols here. So just click on the symbol and the symbol will be copied. Now go back to the Word file and paste the symbol and give the space bar. Similarly, you can also copy the box with the cross and paste it, but there is one small issue. If you copy this box with the tick and paste it into the Word document, it doesn't appear like the other two. So to solve this problem, just click on the previous box and copy the font. Now select the box with the right tick and paste the font and press enter, so it will appear normal. In this way you can make a checklist in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.